Have you ever wondered about the hidden health benefits of jojoba oil? This remarkable oil, derived from the seeds of the jojoba plant, has been used for centuries by Native Americans for its versatile and therapeutic properties. While jojoba oil is well known in the beauty and skincare world, many people are still unaware of its powerful health benefits beyond just moisturizing and healing the skin. Packed with a variety of nutrients, including essential fatty acids, vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, jojoba oil is a natural wonder that has much more to offer than meets the eye. Jojoba oil is often celebrated as a natural moisturizer, but its benefits extend far beyond simply keeping your skin hydrated. In fact, jojoba oil is so similar to the sebum produced by our skin that it can regulate and balance your skin's natural oils, making it an excellent choice for all skin types, including oily and acne-prone skin. Sebum plays a key role in keeping your skin moisturized and protected, and when your skin's oil production is out of balance, it can lead to dryness or excessive oiliness. By mimicking sebum, jojoba oil helps restore that balance, keeping your skin neither too dry nor too oily. This is particularly beneficial for people with sensitive skin or those who are struggling with conditions like acne, where the skin tends to overproduce oil in response to environmental stressors or hormonal fluctuations. With regular use, jojoba oil helps maintain hydration and provides a healthy, radiant glow. One of jojoba oil's lesser-known health benefits is its ability to aid in wound healing. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural choice for treating minor cuts, scrapes, and abrasions. The oil not only helps to soothe the skin, but also promotes faster healing by creating a protective barrier that prevents infection while also nourishing the skin. When applied to fresh wounds or scars, jojoba oil may assist in speeding up the healing process and minimizing the appearance of scars by stimulating the regeneration of skin cells. Its antioxidant-rich composition, including vitamin E, also aids in reducing oxidative stress, which can slow the healing process. Acne is another skin condition where jojoba oil can work wonders. Despite being an oil itself, jojoba oil helps regulate the production of sebum on the skin, which is often the root cause of acne. When the skin produces excess oil, it can mix with dead skin cells and clog the pores, leading to breakouts. By applying jojoba oil to the skin, the oil helps prevent the skin from overproducing sebum, which in turn reduces the likelihood of clogged pores and acne formation. Additionally, jojoba oil has mild antibacterial properties, which helps combat the bacteria that contribute to acne breakouts, making it a gentle yet effective solution for those looking to manage acne without harsh chemicals or medications. It can also help reduce inflammation, providing relief from redness and irritation often associated with acne lesions. When it comes to hair care, jojoba oil is an unsung hero. It nourishes the scalp, moisturizes dry hair, and adds shine to dull, brittle strands. It has been shown to help treat dry scalp and dandruff by moisturizing and soothing irritation, as well as reducing flakes and itchiness. When massaged into the scalp, jojoba oil also promotes blood circulation, which can lead to healthier, stronger hair growth over time. Jojoba oil's ability to moisturize hair helps prevent split ends and breakage, giving the hair a fuller, more vibrant appearance. Additionally, because jojoba oil is non-comedogenic, it won't clog the pores on the scalp, which is important for preventing conditions like folliculitis. People with dry, damaged hair can benefit from regular application of jojoba oil, as it helps restore moisture and improves the overall health of the hair. It can also help smooth frizz and enhance shine, giving hair a polished, healthy look. As we age, our skin begins to lose its elasticity, resulting in sagging, wrinkles, and fine lines. Jojoba oil's anti-aging properties make it an excellent natural remedy for keeping skin youthful and firm. The oil is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E, which protect the skin from free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and contribute to the signs of aging. By neutralizing free radicals, jojoba oil helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. Additionally, jojoba oil's ability to hydrate the skin helps maintain skin elasticity, preventing the skin from sagging over time. Regular use of jojoba oil can also help maintain the skin's natural collagen production, which is vital for maintaining youthful skin. As a result, jojoba oil is a popular ingredient in anti-aging skincare routines and is often included in serums, creams, and facial oils that target signs of aging. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Jojoba oil's versatility extends beyond just skin and hair care. It can also be an effective treatment for dry, cracked lips. Its moisturizing properties make it a common ingredient in lip balms and glosses, as it helps keep lips soft and hydrated, preventing chapping and cracking. Jojoba oil's non-irritating nature means it's gentle enough to use on sensitive lip skin without causing any adverse reactions. Whether you're dealing with cold weather-induced dryness or just looking to keep your lips smooth, jojoba oil provides a natural solution that hydrates and heals. For those with sensitive skin, jojoba oil can be a lifesaver. Its gentle, non-irritating properties make it suitable for individuals with skin conditions like eczema, rosacea, or psoriasis. When applied to affected areas, jojoba oil helps soothe irritation, reduce redness, and provide relief from itching and discomfort. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties work to calm inflamed skin, while its ability to retain moisture helps prevent dryness and flakiness. People with eczema or rosacea can benefit from jojoba oil's healing and restorative effects, making it a natural alternative to traditional medications that may have side effects. It's also gentle enough to use on baby skin, offering relief for diaper rash or other skin irritations. Another fascinating health benefit of jojoba oil is its antifungal properties. While it's often used for skin and hair care, jojoba oil is effective in treating fungal infections like athlete's foot, toenail fungus, and ringworm. Its antifungal properties help prevent the growth of fungi, which can lead to infection, and it also helps reduce the itching, redness, and irritation associated with these conditions. When applied to affected areas, jojoba oil can soothe the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healing, making it a natural remedy for minor fungal infections. Jojoba oil has also gained recognition for its ability to help with the appearance of stretch marks. As the skin stretches rapidly, such as during pregnancy, weight gain, or growth spurts, stretch marks can form, leaving behind visible lines and scars. Jojoba oil's deep moisturizing abilities help keep the skin supple and elastic, reducing the likelihood of stretch marks forming in the first place. Additionally, jojoba oil may help reduce the appearance of existing stretch marks by promoting skin cell regeneration and improving the skin's overall texture. Its natural healing properties can help fade scars and improve skin tone, making it a great option for those looking to prevent or treat stretch marks. Beyond skincare and hair care, jojoba oil has a variety of lesser-known uses, one of which is earwax removal. While many people rely on cotton swabs or harsh chemicals to clear earwax buildup, jojoba oil provides a gentler and more natural approach. By placing a few drops of warm jojoba oil in the ear canal, you can help soften and loosen earwax, making it easier to remove without causing irritation or injury to the delicate ear canal. It also has antibacterial properties that help reduce the risk of infection when removing earwax. This simple and natural remedy provides a safe alternative to conventional methods of earwax removal. Jojoba oil is also known for its ability to soothe psoriasis, a chronic skin condition that causes red, inflamed patches of skin covered with silvery scales. People with psoriasis often struggle with dry, itchy, and cracked skin, but jojoba oil's moisturizing properties can provide relief by keeping the skin hydrated and preventing flare-ups. Its anti-inflammatory and healing properties can also reduce redness and scaling associated with psoriasis, making it a valuable treatment for those suffering from this condition. Finally, jojoba oil's versatility makes it a fantastic all-around health product. Whether you're using it for its moisturizing benefits, its ability to heal wounds, or its role in reducing acne or hair loss, jojoba oil is an effective and natural remedy for a wide range of health concerns. It's an essential addition to your wellness routine and an excellent alternative to harsh chemicals and synthetic products. With its powerful combination of nutrients and healing properties, jojoba oil stands out as one of the most beneficial oils available today. From skincare to hair care to overall wellness, jojoba oil is a natural treasure that can be used in countless ways to improve your health and beauty. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.